Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we are on a brand new Harris 250 Grand Mariner. This Harris 250 Grand Mariner, they did a great job last year redesigning the interior on it. We have recessed cup holders on both sides. Cool thing is we have lighted, they're all lighted. We do the LED package, so we got lighted cup holders. There's also USB ports inside the Cubbies back here, so it makes it nice, easy to charge your phone or your tablet or whatever else you have. Flip down armrests on all of the couches. Really love the way Harris does their cushions. So the two-stage hinge drops the cushion down nice and low, making it easy to get in and out of the storage area. They do a drain trough all the way around the seat base, so when you get in, people get in, they're wet and they sit down, the water doesn't drain into the storage, it actually drains in here and out the back of the furniture. We do have an in-floor ski locker. You see you can store a lot of stuff in here. This is the table and the fenders that come with the boat. We use a gas spring strut to hold this up so it's not a flimsy little cable that this can fall on top of you while you're reaching down in here getting what you need. LED lighting, just like the cup holder lighting, we do a really nice LED lighting around the floor bases everywhere. Super nice Cubbies, beach bags, purses, really cool stuff that you can put inside of there. So this boat is our SLEC layout, so it's a single lounger entertainment center. This is the entertainment center portion of it. It's got a really nice table that folds out, easy to make your sandwiches, hot dogs, anything that you bring on the boat. Cold storage area so that you can put some ice down in here and put your hot dogs, your sandwich meats, whatever you're bringing on the boat to eat on for the day, snack on. As we make our way back, this is a really nice bench seat that has an L-shaped lounger to it, so lots of room for people to sit. And then as you move back here, you can actually flip this cushion forward, and it gives you a really nice lounger back here on the back. Great to lounge on if you're just coved up and rafted up and hanging out in the cove and swimming, and you got people swimming, you can hang out up here. What's really cool is the way Harris puts the stainless steel railing up around the back of the boat, giving you the ability to actually sit back here while the boat's underway. So now you can sit back here and you can record your friends, your kids, tubing and skiing and doing all the water sports that they enjoy. Boat does come with this flip down swim step. Great place to flip it down in the water, hang out and sit on it, get in and out of the water. Great for big dogs to get in and out of the water. Super nice stainless steel ski tow bar. As Harris does with all their boats on their ski tow bars, they put these nice rails in the front to keep stuff from falling down inside the motor well. Boat is powered by a 350 Mercury Verado. Engine is supercharged. Boat runs great with that engine. This boat we added the electric ladder to. So you push a button and it goes down, push the button and it comes back up. It is a 4-step stainless steel ladder, so it drops deep down into the water. Nice wide grab handles, making it easy to get in and out of the water. Wakeboard tower. It does come with tower speakers already on it, already installed. Super nice high back luxury captain's chair to sit in. And then the dash. Harris always does a great job with their dash. Everything's really easy to get to. Tilt steering. JL audio, this boat does have an upgraded JL audio stereo system in it with dual subwoofers. Simrad touchscreen, so you got your GPS and your chart plotter and your depth finder here. GPS speedometer, super nice gauge cluster, and all your switches right here. The engine is digital throttle and shift, so it makes it easy to get it in and out of gear and run across the lake. And it has active trim, so active trim is really cool. Gives you the ability to not have to trim the motor yourself. It actually trims itself as you're running across the water and going into turns and things like that. Well, hey again, I'm Chris Harding with MarineMax of Dallas. I appreciate you joining me on this Harris 250 Grand Mariner walkthrough. If you have any questions about it, give us a call at 972-436-9979 or stop in the store and give us an opportunity to walk you through the boat. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.